What to do if your Android device won't download or install apps. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and I'm here with another video. So let's get started. So first you need to go to settings and apps. Here, search for Play Store and click on it. After that, scroll down to storage and click on it. Here at the bottom, you'll see the option to clear cache. Click on that. After that, go back to your app list and search for Google Play Services. Here again, go to storage and clear its cache. In most of the cases, you might be able to download apps now, but if it's still not working, then go to your apps again and search for Play Store. Again, here at the top you will see permissions. Enable all the permissions you have. After that, you can also allow all the permissions in Google Play Services. Make sure that all of these permissions are allowed. And that's it. I hope this video helps. For more tutorials, do subscribe our channel.